Nestled high within a maple grove, overlooking the serene Lac Franc in Quebec's Laurentian mountains, La Cadrée Perchée stands as a testament to the seamless integration of architecture and nature. Pier-Olivier Lepage, the visionary behind Lac Franc design architecture, crafted this 2,100 square foot, 8-room residence as a personal sanctuary, a space where the rejuvenating power of the wilderness could be harnessed daily. The home's design, characterized by its abundant fenestration and strategically placed glass frames, captures the ever-changing panorama of the surrounding forest, creating the sensation of ascending into the treetops. The omnipresence of wood, both inside and out, further reinforces the connection to the natural environment, transforming the house into a living, breathing extension of the forest itself. The interior layout of La Cadrée Perchée is a masterclass in minimalist design, prioritizing transparency and maximizing the breathtaking views. Features like the recessed sofa pit, low-profile kitchen, and integrated storage islands ensure that the focus remains on the surrounding landscape and the warm, textured wood that defines the space. The strategic placement of the house on the sloping terrain allows for diverse perspectives of the wooded area, creating an ever-evolving experience for its inhabitants. As Lepage himself describes, the feeling shifts between a sense of dominion over the forest and a humbling awareness of nature's grandeur. The orientation of the building also allows for the enjoyment of daily sunrises and sunsets, enriching the living experience with the natural rhythm of the day. Addressing the need for light therapy, the design of La Cadrée Perchée cleverly maximizes solar exposure while mitigating overheating. The house's radiator-inspired form increases the surface area of its exterior walls and wooden frames, effectively absorbing and reflecting light, creating an illusion of perpetual sunshine within. The project showcases economical and artisanal solutions, such as the mounting furring strip ceiling and fence board cladding, while still providing a functional and convivial living space. The living room, inspired by Japanese Kotatsu, encourages communal gatherings, while the bedroom offers a private retreat with panoramic forest views. The seamless transition between interior and exterior is further blurred by the continuous wooden ceilings and walls, glass mullions, and bleached concrete floors that blend seamlessly with the snowy landscape.